The year 1947, a pivotal year in the Indian history. India's independence, partition, mass migration, chaos, whatnot. Our country seethed with turmoil. By the time the British had left India, our country was among the poorest countries of the world. India's GDP had fallen to 3% of the world's GDP. But today, India is the fifth largest economy and has overtook the United Kingdom, which had once ruled over us. Now the actual question is, what did India achieve after independence? Let us all embark on a journey to find the answer to this vital question. Good morning to everyone. I, Sudha Madhuri, today I am going to speak a few sentences on the topic India as an emerging superpower. When we generally think of superpowers, the first ones that come to our mind are the USA, European Union and the China. But do you know that there is another country emerging as a superpower? The answer is India, the land of diversity and culture. The year 2021, when all of the countries were caught off guard by the corona pandemic, India managed to effectively fight the virus while managing to overtake the USA and become the most beautiful manufacturing sector. Last year, our country overtook China to become the most populous country. But how many of you know that India is also the world's new potential superpower? There are only 4 countries in this world who have developed anti-satellite weapons, and we Indians can proudly say that our country is one of them. India's investment on an infrastructure project of 1.9 million is more than the economy of small countries like South Korea and etc. And how can we forget the iconic date 23rd August 2023, when India became the first country to land on the south pole of the moon, the fastest growing economic sector, the first country to overtake the USA, the first country to land on the south pole of the moon, and the first country to overtake its oppressor in the past. Look how the tables have turned. With all of these remarkable achievements, there is no doubt that India is an emerging superpower. And we Indians should say with our heads held high and hearts filled with patriotism, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.